Welcome to Coding Style channel. Today I will show you some important tips and tricks about Notepad++. So in our first example, we will separate each and every line by comma. So you need to start your selection like this and end up your selection like this. Then by pressing Ctrl H, you will have a replace dialog. Inside that, you can have a two parameter like find what and replace with. You need to keep the find what is empty and replace with by just you need to place the comma, then you need to press replace all. So each and every line are separated by comma. So this is our first example. Now we are moving forward over to our second example. In that we have a two file, that is games.py and games2.py. We need to compare this both of file, and right now what we are doing that to compare this file, we need to click each and every tab, but we want to see both of file together open. So for to achieve that, you need to right click on a tab and select the move document option and click on move to other view. So you can see both of the files are open together in front of you. You can also scroll up and scroll down both of the file. You can also scroll up and scroll down both of file together. How you can do like that? You can select the synchronize vertical scrolling. So if you will scroll one file, then automatically the second file also will scroll up and scroll down. So this both files are now synchronized in a scrolling. So this is our second example. Now we are moving forward to our third example, that is number. In our third example, we have a numbers in our file that is not in a sorted manner. If you want to sort in ascending or descending in a Notepad++, then you can do by using edit option, then you can select line operation, then select sort line as integer ascending. So you can see our numbers are sorted in a ascending order, and if you want to see your result in a descending order, then you can select edit option, then line operation, and you can select sort line as integer descending. So your data will be arranged in a descending manner. Now we are moving forward to our fourth example. In our fourth example, we have a character type data which is not sorted ascending or descending. But if you want to sort it out, then you can select edit menu, then you can select line operation. You can select that is sort line lexicography ascending. Then you can see your data is sorted in ascending order. Likewise, you can also set it as a descending order, then you can select sort line lexicographically descending, then you can see your data is sorted in a descending order. Now we are moving forward to fifth example. In this fifth example, I am going to show you how you can use find and replace functionality, as well as I will show you how you can use the clipboard value. So if you want to replace the character, you can use the Ctrl H as a shortcut. So by pressing the Ctrl H, you will have a replace dialog. Inside that, you need to write a find what and replace with. Whatever the value you want to find, that you need to write inside the find what. So I want to find comma, then I want to replace the comma by full stop, then I will write full stop over here in a replace with. Then I will press replace all. So by pressing the replace all, you can see that wherever I have used comma, that has been replaced by full stop. So this is the way that you can use find and replace option. Then now we are going to see how we can use a clipboard value. So in an edit menu, you can see the option that is clipboard history. By pressing the clipboard history, you will get the one dialog over here that will show you the copied value that is being done by you. So I have selected videos, then I have pressed Control C, then I am going to copy watching value. So you can see that the watching is being here. then I am going to select subscribe, then copy, so I can see the subscribe word is over here. Then if I want to use these words, then I can double click on the word that I want to use. So in this way you can use the default functionality of a clipboard. So now we are moving forward to our next sixth example. So in this sixth example, I am going to show you that in our file what are the characters are being used. So for to see what are the characters are being used in our file, you just need to click over here, that is show all characters. So you can see that this is the arrow key, these are the dots, then crlf is stand for new line. So wherever the tab key has been used, you can see the arrow sign. Wherever the space has been used, you can see dots over here. For example, if I am pressing tab over here, then I can see the arrow sign over here. If I am pressing space over here, then I can see the dots are here. So in this way you can identify that what are the characters that has been used in your file. Now we are moving forward to our next example. So in this seventh example, I am going to show you how you can edit the multiple line together. For example, I have a line that is please see the demo of multi-line edit. I want to edit this much of data all together. Then how we can do? For example, you just need to press shift alter then arrow down. So I am pressing shift alter and arrow down. Now I will keep the shift plus alter same and I will press now right arrow key. So I am selecting this much of data. Then now I am editing the content that I want to edit. Please subscribe coding style. So I have edited bunch of line together. So please subscribe this channel and share this video.